guys? So I changed this one. You see, subscribe, and I'm so many videos, 452 videos, and my brother, this one. Bro, I hate spiders. His videos is 296, and I'm so many videos. So we're gonna try our videos. You forgot your charger after in the living room.
Wait.
So check react our videos. So, this is my videos. So this is my very first video. This one. I think this is my first video. No. This is my first video. Bro, it's private. Sorry, it's private. Mewing. So, yo, what is this? Alright, Green Cecil. Green Cecil is like green check. After in Christmas. That's 2023. So, I forgot the name of chicks. Now I know. So, I named it Green Cecil. This thing is the Tagalog word. And so many cringe videos. And my face too. So, what is? Why that is my face, bro? Bro, what is that, bro? What is it? Look. So this. Oh my god. Why is that a screen? Bro, the code is the in that. Bro, my old wallpaper. Now is my wallpaper is a Philippines because I'm a Filipino. So okay, we here, and this is my first video. This is my father, and this is me, and my grandpa, and my grandma. Is that right? And the anti-fast and anti-zoo is this. Facebook. This Facebook. Wait. That is Facebook. I am eating, but if this screen, I love it. Oh. What's this? So many cringe videos. I'm so cringe too. What is this video? What is that? So we're gonna go to my first Minecraft video. So this one. Paano kumang ng elytra? Bro.
By the way, go! Hello guys, we're back. Wait. Wait, can I show you? Let's go!
Boom!
Bruh, ba't namatay ako? story. Ayan, i-ano nyo, i-shoot nyo at make sure creative ka sa kanyo. Video muna kayo. Tapos, ito, third person. Yan. Tapos, go! Kita nyo? Yun lang po.
That's possible.
Bye-bye! Subscribe!
This is my first Roblox video. Wait, this one. This one is no. This one. God wills. This is
Hello, guys.
That's me. That's me. And
Hello!
and okay. We are now in my first Minecraft video.
By the way, go! Ah! By the way, go! Ah! Pantay ako! Guys, ito ang titur... Bruh!
Look at
Ba't
this.
namatay ako?
Look at this. Look at this. What is that? Bro, what is that? There's a villager sleeping in my room, my bedroom.
Guys, i-ano nyo, i-shoot nyo, tapos, go! Kita nyo? Yun lang po. Bye-bye! Subscribe!
This is my first Roblox video. Right now, guys. This one, no. This one.
Hello, guys. Hello! Hello. Hello, guys. Hello! Ito pala, hirap po.
Music gun games. Oh my god. Like a blue bacon. Oh my god, it's so loud. It's so loud.
Bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
So this is my first different game. No. This is my first. This is my Brookhaven Roblox video. This one. Bro, I'm a One Punch Man Garo. I know Garo is the trash world. What is this?
Hello guys, I'm playing Transworld. You lot see of airplane explode. What the? Where is the airplane? This tree is the airplane disaster. What is where is the airplane? This tree is the airplane disaster. What is snow people? Oh no! Oh no!
What is that?
Wow! What is my play movie? World. This is the transfer. That is the stair.
So this is my new video. Babuik. Wait. All this. Hold this. This is my old videos. So we're gonna see what Christmas day I record. This one and I'm gonna draw how it yeah, that. So Fran's World. What is this?
This is my music.
What am I doing? Guys, so what is my happening in my videos? A cringe videos. What the heck? What the heck? Green screen kids. I hate green screen kids. So post. What is this game? The story. Brookhaven. So, this is my house. So we're gonna end the video if I share to the YouTube, the community. So this is the end of the video and I send it now.
Bye-bye.